How you doing, my friend? And thank you for tuning into this video. I go by the name of MrDavinci, and in this video, I'm going to be covering the 3 best apps that you can be using for your Shopify store in 2020. Definitely make sure that you stay all the way to the end of this video because these are 3 apps that I'm personally using for my Shopify store that has helped me reach over 5 figures within the last, has helped me reach $5,000 in profit, not revenue, within the last 30 days. So definitely stay tuned. And if you appreciate the content, I appreciate if you like this video just to help me get this video out across the YouTube platform. Sound good? All right, cool. So let us begin the video. The first app that I have for you is the Best Currency Converter. And the reason why I chose this app is because, like most of you, I am running ads on using Facebook ads, of course, but I'm targeting different countries just besides the United States. I'm also targeting the United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, New Zealand. So we're pretty much targeting the same countries. If you're into targeting worldwide, that's my big 5 that I like to target. So there's a free gem for you. But the reason why I chose this app is because by installing the currency converter, when someone lands on your product page on your Shopify store, you can have them check out in the currency that is most congruent with their country so that they can feel more comfortable to get to the checkout process. And when they land on your product page, it should automatically translate into their currency. Now, there is a little technical work that needs to be done for you to do this, but you can contact the support team. I firstly talked with them and I haven't had a problem. They was very helpful and very supportive for me. So I'm definitely sure that you'll get a similar experience, if not better. So I'm going to load up some images here for you to see how it's going to look like. Over here, you can see the US dollar, you can see a Europe dollar, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, Germany dollar, you know what I'm saying? So they basically have a currency for every e-packet country that you're probably going to be targeting for your Shopify store. And the good thing about this app is they do have a free plan. I'm personally using the free plan myself. I'm not using the elite plan, but if you want to use the elite plan, more power to you. Some of these apps I'm going to be covering, some will be free, some will have a free plan, some you'll have to pay. So it all depends on your budget, but at the end of the day, make the decision that's best for you and you feel that will help best improve and best grow your business. So, like I said, I'm on the free plan. It's free for life, and I get to add up to 5 currencies, which I use for the 5 countries, which I discussed when I first started this video. And here we have some reviews from other people who's installed this app. I'm just going to scroll down for y'all. You're welcome to read these videos if you like, but I'm going to hop into the second app which I have for you, which is the Luke's photo review. Now with this app, I actually covered this in another video. I want to have a card pop up, hopefully. If not, it should pop up at the end of this video. But I made a video covering this app. Now, this app, the Luke's Photo Review app, is very good for adding social proof to your product page. And for those of you who don't know what social proof is, it is basically a review or a testimonial of someone who's actually purchased this product and they left feedback on it. And what we're able to do with this app, you can install this app on your Shopify store and you can import reviews from AliExpress from other people who's already purchased this product and install that onto your Shopify store. So it looks like that the reviews that they're leaving, they makes it show up on your Shopify product page as if they were already customers of your store. So when you're running Facebook ads to your product page, other people are more likely to trust your store because they have testimonials and social proof that, hey, people actually bought from this store. I guess I'll give them a try. I guess I'll trust them. I'll give them a shot. So I highly recommend that you install this app. Now, they do offer a 14-day free trial, but if you click on the link, I have it pinned below in the comment section, but if you click on that link, I have it set up with them where they'll give you a free 30-day extended free trial. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely check it out. If not, it's all good. But moving along here, we're going to scroll down. As you can see, social proof drive sales. And you're able to import the reviews in the different languages. Now, I'm not going to read them all, but I'll read off a few for you. So we have English, we have French, we have Germany, we have Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Germany. I'm pretty sure they have the United K and Canada, but I'm pretty sure that's just, if you do Facebook ads, that's English US, English UK. So give or take, it's not a big deal. It's basically the same thing. They speak in English. So I'm going to load up some pictures here so you're able to see what this looks like. If you want a further in depth of how this actually like looks from complete beginner, from complete scratch, definitely check out the video at the end of this video. You can see how I walk you through the process of that. So as you can see, display all your reviews on the dedicated product page. You can change the color. They also have a pop-up. So, if you want to gather someone's email or phone number, they have a pop-up available that you can install and enable on your product. You can enable on your Shopify store as well. They also have it so if I had like a Luke's app right here in the reviews, it could pop up on the side. Me personally, I don't like to do that because I've seen from my Shopify store it actually runs customers away. But I mean, to each his own, you're welcome to try that. I just like to leave my reviews all the way at the bottom of the product page, right underneath the add to cart. And my conversion rate is about, I think it's 1.5 on one of my Shopify stores. So I definitely suggest that you check out this app. And the cool thing about this app, before I move on to the third one, is you can import reviews with pictures of the product. So it'll be like, for example, this baby right here. I believe someone's selling a baby bag, give or take. I don't know. I don't got kids, so don't laugh at me too much in the comment section. But anyway, as you can see down here, you can see that they have a picture of their baby and the baby bed, and then they have reviews. So it's definitely great for social proof, and it will help a lot of cold audience convert and go through the next phase of the funnel, which will be a warm audience and then a hot audience where they eventually purchase from your store. So definitely check that out. Now moving along to the third and final app that I have for y'all. Before I move on, the Luke's app, it is $10 a month. Now they do have other plans available. They have $10, they have $30, they have $60, they have $100. I'm personally using the $30 plan myself, but depending on where you are on your journey, you choose what's best for you. But if you're just new and you're just getting started with Shopify, the $10 plan is more than enough to help you get started and help you generate more sales for your Shopify store. Now, going back to the third product that I have for you, since we're talking about product pages, Zipify. You may have heard many Shopify gurus talking about this. This is as close as you're going to get to an alternative to ClickFunnels. I personally use ClickFunnels, but that's for affiliate marketing. But as far as Shopify goes, I haven't had a chance to test this out, but I have heard good things from other YouTubers in the Shopify space, and they definitely recommend the Zipify page builder and editor app. So what it essentially does is it turns your website into a sales funnel, thus meaning for those of you to make it in more comprehensible terms is it initiates the checkout steps. Instead of Shopify add to cart, then you gotta go to add cart page and checkout page. It takes them directly to your product page. I'm actually gonna load up a picture here so it can make sense while I'm explaining it to you, so you can follow along with what I'm saying. So as you can see, it turns your product page or your website into a funnel, and it makes it stand out more, from the creativeness to the design to the way how you standardize everything on your product page. And it also helps with their conversion rate. Now, this app should help your conversion rate go from, hopefully at a 1%, but if you're at a 1%, it should go to 2%. If you're at 2%, you're aiming to get to 5%. So hopefully you can get that. But another thing which I like about this app, which is similar to ClickFunnels, is as you can see, they have an order bump. So an order bump is similar to an upsell, but it's right there in the heat of the moment. So if someone was to add this product to their cart, for example, they would have a pre-purchase or an order bump and say, hey, you already got one of these. Why not get a second one for, let's say, $10 less, or $5 less, $15 less, $20 less, whatever you want to do. And that's a good way to definitely increase your upsells and downsells for your product page and your Shopify website. So this app, this one's actually going to cost you some money, but you definitely get what you pay for. So when it comes to building your business, there's not really an extent that you shouldn't go, and you should definitely be reinvesting the money that you're getting from your sales back into your business. That's just what I believe. So they have a 14-day free trial, and they have two plans, one for the $67 a month and one for the $97 a month. Now, if you're already on ClickFunnels, you should be used to paying $97 a month. You might as well give or take round off to $100 a month. So honestly, if I was to install this app, that's probably the plan I would go with. But if you're on a budget and you money's kind of tight for you, definitely try out the $67 a month plan. And like I said, you get a free 14-day trial. I'm not endorsed or sponsoring them in any way. I'm just going based off my own research, my own due diligence of me looking into this app personally. And if you would like for me to actually test this out on one of my Shopify stores, definitely, leave this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and it's something I get around to. But those are the 3 apps that I have for you. Definitely let me know your thoughts if you decide to use them. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, I appreciate you. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. This has been your friend and mentor, MrDavinci. I'm signing off. Stay safe, everybody. Stay blessed. Let's get this Wi-Fi money. Let's get this Wi-Fi bread.